Hello guys, welcome back to NFTins, but for today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Dell laptop black screen problem. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your Dell laptop here, there is something that you could try doing here to probably solve this issue. So the first thing that you want to do here is you might want to force shut down your laptop. So in this case, first is you want to make sure that you disconnect all devices like USBs or printers, Bluetooth devices, anything that is connected on your laptop here. So basically just remove it, unplug it. Now, from then on, what we need to do is you want to look for your power button, usually at the top right here, and you want to press and hold this for about 10 to 20 seconds until your laptop actually powers off. Then from then on, you want to unplug the AC adapter and remove the battery if possible. So this might take a while here. You might need to open this at the back, but generally speaking, you just need to remove your battery. Now, from then on, what you need to do is you need to hold the power button again for about 60 seconds to drain any remaining power. So this kind of soft resets your laptop, which in this case hopefully would solve your problem. Now, from then on, you want to go reinsert the battery, plug in the charger, and press the power button to turn on your laptop and see if that solves the issue. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.